Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix if your is not turning on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so check charger. After check charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. After click on software update, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.